An open cloud allows you to choose from the best innovation now and in the future, so that you can build an architecture using the best of breed tools from any vendor.
You don't want to have a cloud that restricts you in terms of how you can choose your infrastructure, in terms of how you can implement your architecture, in terms of being able to choose your technology vendors. You want to be able to have an open approach, which is going to put you in control of having the purview to make all these different decisions and choices.
The choice of the cloud architecture is the most important decision that an IT executive is going to make in the next 10 years, because it will determine their organization's competitiveness, ability to respond to the customers, flexibility, economics, and access to innovation. And the choice is really stark. Do you choose an open architecture for your cloud, or do you choose a closed architecture? And it really comes down to the question, do you want to be in control of your future, or do you want one vendor to have control over you?
You don't want your vendor making your choices for you in terms of this is how you have to implement your infrastructure. You want to have that control yourself.
When you build an open cloud with Red Hat, you can run your applications on any type of capacity based on the policies that you set and the state of your infrastructure at that moment in time. That gives you a really big advantage.
As you take a look at the value of a cloud, customers are really looking to get agility, efficiency, cost savings, and benefits and so on in their entire IT infrastructure. And if you have a cloud that is restricted and only works with a small portion of your data center or with a small portion of what you're doing, that's going to limit the value of what cloud can ultimately do for you. So you need an open cloud to encompass all that you're doing, otherwise you won't get the full value of cloud.
We're still in the early days of the cloud market with lots of innovation yet to come. And so when you build an open cloud architecture, you give yourself access to the broadest range of choice, not just now, but in the future.